Tangled and Toy! Tangled and Toy!
Hi guys, today we're checking out Hairdorables Series 2. And if you see for this series, there are 26 dolls to collect, 11 surprises inside, and new color reveal.
Ooh, I wonder which of my friends are inside. I can't wait to see. Let's open them up.
So this is the box from the Series 1, and one of the main differences is if you watched our previous video about the Rayne Showers hack, if you didn't click the link above to watch it, is you could at the store gently lift this open and peek inside to see the background. However, now in the Series 2, if you see, they probably found out people were doing that. You can't do that. It is closed. There is plastic all around it. So no peeking inside to see the background. So this will be a complete surprise who we get. So let's open up and hopefully we have two different dolls. Okay, so here's our first one. Let's open it up. Oh, look. So we have a candy shop. And then here is the paper with the dolls. And these are all the different Series 2 dolls you can get. I wonder who we're gonna get.
I wonder who's gonna be inside. Maybe it'll be my sisters. Pineapple Rain? A rain festival? Cat? Callie? I don't know.
So let's open number 1 first. Top Knots Rule. And then here we have a comb and some stickers. Number 2. Funky, Fab, and Fierce. Oh, look at these shoes. So we have BFFs Forever. And then we have these little shoes. Do you have an idea which doll we got? Let's see, number 3. Maybe this will be the color change accessory. Oh, we have a skateboard. Cool. Or, yeah, skateboard or longboard. Looks like a skateboard, not too long. Oh, this one is our color reveal item. So if you see color reveal, what color will I be? Dip me in icy cold water to find out. And then rainbow realness. Okay, so we're gonna dip the skateboard in cold water. Doesn't really change color, it just looks like if you see the flowers on it stand out, and then warm water, if you see, then the flowers disappear, but they're slowly coming back. So warm water, flowers disappear, and then cold water, then you have the flowers on there. But the board doesn't change colors. Okay, so let's open our 4th surprise. Here it is. Oh, cool. Headphones with hearts on them. That's cute. So do you have any idea who we got? We have heart headphones, a skateboard, this comb, and then these shoes. Any idea who we have? If you know who we have, put it in the comments below. So let's see. Oh, so cute. I love the blue hair. So if you see, we have Noah.
Noah, fade hairstyle, crown braid. Birthday, June 12th. Pet's name, Lemon. Hey Noah, so good to see you. Yeah, Rayne Showers, so good to see you too.
So if you see, the Series 2 has something different than Series 1. There's actually a stand, which is smart. So she can stay on the stand instead of falling over. So here's the stand. You see there's a holder for the feet, and you just put the doll on top here, which actually would be like, ow, if in real life that was a real person, right? And put them in there just like that. They're a doll, so that doesn't hurt them. So the one we got is this one here, On the Go Noah.
Noah, I wonder who's in the other box. Me too. I wonder which of our other friends is in there. Yeah, let's open it up and see.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
So who do you think is inside here? Our clues are we have a baseball hat, we have a baseball bat, and then we have these shoes. These yellow shoes. Any idea who it is?
I wonder if it's Brit in there. Yeah, maybe it's Brit. Come on, let's open it and see.
Okay, let's see, girls. Let's open up and see if you guys are right. So let's see. Oh, look who it is. It is Brit. And her hair is stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh, look how pretty. The magenta hair and then this pink streak. Oh, look at the braid. That's really nice. And then her baseball outfit. Oh, such pretty green eyes.
Brit, fave hairstyle, high pony. Birthday, August 8th. Pet's name, Harlow.
So if you see here, we got Batter Up Brit. And behind here would be the stand. Oh, it just fell out. Here's the stand. So here she is with all of her accessories, but if you put her hat all the way on, if you see, you can't even see her face. So just put it lightly up there and then now you can see her. So this is Brit, Batter Up Brit.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Tangled and Toys.